It's been a while since I've been this excited to show you something that is a logical process that works everywhere and will make you seem brilliant. See, I was thinking about the video I made last night, which was trying to explain the logic behind 1/2 divided by 1/4 and 1/4 divided by 1/2. And so I wrote this down. So 1/2 divided into groups of 1/4, it's easy to see that two groups of 1/4 goes into 1/2. So the answer is 2, because there are two groups of 1/4 and 1/2. But then I got over here and it got really difficult to explain. So here's a generalization that I want to point out that works everywhere, even with fractions, and it's really cool. So let's look at whole numbers because they're pretty easy to work with. 10 divided by 5, or how many groups of 5 out of 10? Well, it's 2. Same thing with 12 divided into groups of 6. There's two groups of 6 in 12. Now, if we reverse the dividend and the divisor and do 5 divided by 10, that's 5 divided by 10, that's 1/2. And 6 divided by 12 is 6 divided by 12, which is also 1/2. Notice how the answers are related, 2 and 1/2, 2 and something. Last example, if 12 divided by 4 is 3, 4 divided by 12, following the logical pattern, has to be 1/3, and it is because 4 divided by 12 is 4 divided by 12, which simplifies to 1/3. So what's going on here? When we swap the dividend and divisor, the answer reciprocates, right? It becomes a reciprocal. And that always happens. It seems like it's happening every time. You can test it over and over again. If it always happens, you can generalize this to become a logical thought process. So if 1/2 divided by 1/4 is 2, if I'm swapping the dividend and divisor, the answer has to reciprocate. So it becomes 1/2. And you can do that with really complicated division problems, and it might just help you. If you can generalize a rule, you can apply it everywhere. 8 divided by 1/2, 8 divided into groups of 1/2, there are 16. And without even knowing how to solve this problem, if I'm switching these two, then the answer has to be reciprocated, and it has to be 1/16. That works everywhere. I can follow for more math significance. Thanks.